Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have missed you guys so much. Let me just start off by saying that. I know it's been a while, but here I am finally, and I am bringing you a nail tutorial inspired by my 2015 courthouse wedding. So these nails are super easy, super affordable, and if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Alright my loves, we are starting off with the AliExpress medium almond full cover nails, and I already prepped them off camera, so right now I am just putting some base coat on them. And yes, these are definitely dupes for the Aprés nail, dupe for the Couture, so go ahead and save yourself some coin. Okay, now I didn't show how I prepped the soft gel extensions because I'm planning on doing another part to this video. Well, technically this was going to be like a two-part video, and it's basically a DIY Aprés dupe kit. And in that one I would show you how to do the proper steps to prep the soft gel extension, so just be on the lookout for that. I still plan on doing that video. But anyways, we are going to be taking the Venalisa Gel Pot in 1642, and I am just taking a gel brush that I got from Shop Miss A, and I'm just going to be applying 2 coats of this gel polish. Like I said, it's a very simple set to recreate. So again, I'm going to be applying it to all the fingers, excuse me, all the nails, especially on the accent nail, which is going to be my ring finger, because let's say a rhinestone falls off, at least you won't be able to tell that much because there's still like a glittery base to it. But yeah, it's a super simple, easy set. So yeah, 2015 was the last time that I went to the nail salon. So I got that acrylic set done for my courthouse wedding. So me and my husband, we have been married for 5 years. Our anniversary is actually November 4th. But we've actually been together since 2008, so we've actually been together for 12 years, so it doesn't feel like that. But yeah, I just thought it was nice to recreate my set, you know, especially because 2020 has been a weird year, obviously, with this whole pandemic. So, you know, it made me happy to recreate those nails. So I am just curing that coat for 60 seconds, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats of that. And I'm going to be taking these really pretty rhinestones from Amazon. I really like these rhinestones because if you can see, they have a little bit of a curved, they're kind of curved instead of being completely flat, so they lay on the nail better, basically. So I picked out this square gem because it matches with my wedding band, because I have a square engagement ring. And I'm going to be taking some AB crystals in just random sizes, and I am just going to be putting that all over the nail, basically. So to stick on the gems, I'm going to be taking my gem glue, and I'm going to be topping it off with top coat. That way I don't have to wipe it down. So yeah, I'm going to be taking the gem glue, and I'm going to be putting on like a nice thick layer of that, because like I said, I really want that gemstone, that huge one, well, it's not that huge, but that big square gem to really like stay on. And like I said, I'm going to be putting a top coat on top of the gem glue. I am taking that rhinestone and I am placing it not right in the middle, but a little bit above the cuticle area. And I'm really kind of like pressing down to make sure that that glue really not encapsulates, I don't know what the word is, but like I was gonna say entangled for some reason. But just to really hug that gem, basically. and I'm going to be placing random sizes of AB crystals just wherever I see fit. Alright guys, so I want your honest opinion. Do you guys like it when I talk in these videos? Especially when it comes to like simple, self-explanatory nail tutorials, where I talk about like other random things besides the nail tutorial, or do you guys just want me to talk in terms of like just explaining the steps of what I am doing? This is honestly like the 5th time that I tried to do this voiceover because I was literally just talking like of like how I met my husband and like how the nail industry has changed in the last 5 years since I've last gone to the nail salon. So but I don't want to bore you guys, so I would rather just get the feedback. So let me know. I might talk a little bit more just because this nail tutorial is just very simple and self-explanatory, but still, like, I just want to know. Please give me your constructive criticism. I'm all for it. But anyways, like I said, in the last 5 years, the nail industry has really changed in terms of like people doing, like their own nails at home. We've got polygel, dip powder, even press-on nails. Like I just feel like everything has changed in the last 5 years. And it's just crazy because when I look at that picture of my acrylic set, I used to think that those nails were super long. And when I look at it now, I'm like, girl, those were really short nails. And back then I feel like a very like bougie set was like an blinged out like accent nail, and then now it's like, no, your whole hand has to be blinged out in order to be considered like more like out there and bougie. So I just think it's crazy. And obviously the nail industry has changed, especially with these like soft gel extensions, because for me personally, I can't sculpt. I want to try polygel, and I am planning on doing a video on the Ohuhu polygel that I wanted to give away. But I love these Gel X extensions because they're so easy to just pop on, and they're already, shaped for you. So that's why I really like soft gel extensions. But it's just crazy. Like in 5 years, I feel like back then it was just like acrylic sets, acrylic, that's it. And like now, like, girl, you can do acrylic, in the comfort of your own home. And even now, you don't even have to deal with like the monomer scent of acrylic. You can do polygel. But anyways, this is how the bling down nail came out. Girl, it came out so good. Now I did cure it in the lamp for like 2 minutes just to make sure that that gel was like really cured, because like I said, I don't want my gems to pop out, but that's why you have that glittery base. So but anyways, I'm going to be going over the nails with top coat now. And like I said, girl, it's an easy set. That's pretty much it. So I think that's it for me now. Like I said, please give me your constructive criticism or just feedback in general, because I would really like to know. I don't want to bore you guys with like my random stories and stuff. But yeah, I think that's it for me. I don't know how many times I have to say that. I'm a chatterbox. I love to chat. I love to talk to you guys. It's my time. It's my me time, okay? I'm a mom. So I really enjoy talking, even if it is to myself, technically. But you know how it is, girl. Alright guys, that is the completed set. Like I said, it came out so pretty. super sparkly. Girl, you are gonna be beaming if you recreate this set. But anyways, if you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you guys are alerted whenever I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below and give me a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.